The lonely parakeet. A small green parakeet named Pico watches other birds fly past his tree. He feels lonely and dreams of finding real friends who will play and explore with him. Journey into the forest. Pico gathers his courage and flies toward the deep forest. Sunlight filters through the trees as he hopes he'll finally meet someone who understands him. First encounter. Pico meets a shy squirrel nibbling on a nut. They try to talk, but the squirrel is too nervous and runs away. Pico realizes finding friends might not be easy, but he keeps going. New bonds form. By a small waterfall, Pico sings a cheerful tune. A rabbit, a butterfly, and a young deer gather to listen. They're amazed by his voice and start playing with him. A forest, full of friends. As the sun sets, Pico sits on a branch surrounded by his new forest friends. He realizes he was never truly alone. He just needed to take the first step to find the friends waiting for him.